What's up guys, this is John from Specialized Sales and Leasing. Today we have the new 2019 Mercedes GT63S 4-door, and we're gonna take it for a drive and do a quick walk around and show you guys the interior. Let's get into it.
Perfect.
This comes with the optional full ceramic brakes on there. The stopping power is great. It's sitting on the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. It comes with the adjustable wing on the back. And you got plenty of room to take your friends on a track day. It's got the beautiful bucket seats in the back and the front. Let's start it up and get some rest for you guys. Let's go do what you guys all been waiting for. Let's go for a drive. So we're in the car right now, about to get on the freeway real quick, and you know, we'll show you guys more about how the inside works and everything like that, because this has the autopilot. I don't know if it's called autopilot, but it works really close to what the Tesla's is, because this actually will change lanes and keep the car in the lane. It'll stop and go depending on the traffic. You can set up a cruise, like miles per hour limit where you want to stay at. It's actually really good, surprisingly. I don't think the older Mercedes did that, but this one is really close to the Tesla. Yeah, about to get on the freeway. The way it drives doesn't even feel like a 4-door car. It feels like a 2-door. I mean, it's amazing how they did this. I mean, taking corners is just like, takes like a sports car. I'm gonna put the car on cruise control right now, and we'll see how it does. It's actually really good. I am surprised by Mercedes, how close they got it to the Tesla. Okay, so we're going. You can adjust the limit, how far you want the gap to be from the car in front of you and from you. So I did 2 cars, so right now I'm not touching the steering wheel. It'll tell you like every, I think like 20 seconds to just touch the steering wheel, so that way you're not sleeping, right? So right now it's doing that, so staying in the lane. So this has 630 horsepower and 664 foot-pounds of torque. And this car will do 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds. And the car is driving itself, so we can read this. So another thing, so they added these 2 buttons over here. They have the dial right here that you can put in different modes, sports or plus, and then you have these settings you can do. It's basically like memory settings. So I have mine set to exhaust and the spoiler, because the spoiler just goes up and down, like sometimes you just want it all the way up every time. I love the new steering wheel. That's honestly one of my favorite parts, is the new steering wheel they did with the silver accents. It's just beautiful, and just the vents are just, they light up at night. I mean, it's just beautiful. And then also you also have the design where, so you can go here and change the way you want your design to be on the dash. So you have sport, which gives you a little bit more of an old school look to it, and you have the classic. It just, because it's in comfort mode, so it just changes the color to blue, but I like the super sport mode. And Mercedes also got rid of their dial, and they did a touchpad instead. They had the touchpad before, but it wasn't the same. But now they only have the touchpad, so you have to control everything from the touchpad. And then also they have the little buttons on the, it's like touch, but you can control this one controls the screen on the right, and this one controls the screen on the left. So it's just really handy, you know. The Alcantara, there's just so much to talk about. I mean, I can't even go through. I mean, this one has the Burmeister stereo. I mean, it's just, there's too many things for me to talk about. The yellow stitching, the yellow seatbelt. Love this yellow seatbelt. I know I've said amazing a lot of times, but it's just, this car is amazing. That's all I can say. We're going 60, and this is a 9-speed as well. This thing is unbelievable. The pops, it's just like, it has sound, it has power, it still has comfort as well. Like, even though I'm sitting in bucket seats, but these bucket seats are still so comfortable. And the dual clutch transmission is just unbelievable. The sound is... puts a smile on your face. That's when you know it's the right car, when it puts a smile on your face. Okay, so we just pulled over on this little spot, open stretch road for you guys, and show you guys how the launch control works. So you gotta be in race mode. When the flag shows, that means you're in race mode. And you just gotta make sure you're holding down to the steering wheel, and put your left foot on the brake and right feet on the gas. Hold it till, and then there goes. Shit. Man, it literally puts your face like, just like stretches your face. It's crazy how this car can do that. Wow. So also on the track pace app, you can choose like the drag race mode, and you can set up what miles per hour do you want it to stop the time and all that. So we're gonna do that right now. We set it at 62 miles per hour, and let's see what it does. So again, we gotta do launch control. So okay, so as soon as I go, it'll start the time. So 1, 2, 3. So it looks like we did 3.4 seconds 0 to 62, and we did 1.59 to 30 miles per hour. The tires are cold too, so let's get a couple more runs. Let's see if we can get close to that 3.1. 1, 2, 3. We did a little bit better. We did 3.2 seconds. That's better. So that means we can get to that 3.1. Those brakes work. Those ceramic brakes work. So we just got done doing the 0 to 60, and the best time we got was 3.2 seconds. On the sheet it says it does 3.1, but you know, and it's understandable because the tires are cold. That's probably we didn't get the same results, you know. But this car, the braking, the acceleration is it's just unreal. It's just, for a big car like this, for what it can do, it's unreal. I definitely recommend you guys buying one when it comes out. In my opinion, I like this more than the Panamera. I like this more than the RS7, and I know they're in the same category, so I definitely prefer this car over those cars. It's just amazing. I can't stop looking at it. It's so aggressive. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.